Nope. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't hit it. Nah, I hit it. Why you gotta be like that, vehicle? Why? No way, I should not be able to make this. I know it's the wrong way, but I don't care. As long as no one comes down that route, I'll be good. I'll get up it eventually. No worries. I'll just chug along eventually getting there. Guy's tired. He needs to sleep. I don't know where I can put him to sleep though. Ow. Ow. My poor defenseless ear. I have big ears, I think. I think I have big ears. That's it. Or it's just the fact that I'm wearing them for so long. I don't know. Maybe I can make it with... No, that guy's like definitely speeding. Look at him. I'm going. More miles to go. I just want to be able to upgrade my vehicle and be able to buy the company. I can buy companies sooner or later as soon as I can get money. Money, 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 money. Gonna get me some money. Not if I hit people like that. I won't get money. I should find a parking place to rest. I will totally do that. I knew everyone else. I would totally do it. But I'm on the freeway right now, so that's not gonna happen. Nope. Definitely not gonna happen. Park on the side of the road. That'd be cool. Those cars are going. Why is everyone quiet? Why are you all quiet in there? Lonely now. You're getting tired. Yeah, I know. He is getting tired. Oh, is this a place to rest? It is a place to rest. Oh, so what happens if he gets tired? Does he just like crash my car? That would suck. Can I park here? No, I think I go all the way down there with the trucks. Do I park behind the truck? Most likely. Like, there's life. Here, I thought I was alone. Don't you dare move, car. I'm ahead of you. I go first. Put my window wipers on. Do, 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 do. I don't even know what happened there. I really don't. I didn't get fined for it or anything, so it was just like, he bumped me and lifted up off the ground. It was weird. Did he technically hit me then, I guess? So what are your plans for tomorrow, Ocean? What you got going on in your life? Lily? What's Lily? I don't even know. Looking at them doesn't do nothing. No idea. Gonna go to a birthday party. Can hear the excitement in my voice. Birthday party. We're gonna go watch the fight. I'm gonna be around people. I need a fear of interaction, I guess. I like people. Just, well, nervous about people at the same time. I'm nervous about meeting new people. How about that? That would be perfect. That's what I think. Nervous about meeting new people. Not on the top 10 things to want. Or is to do? I don't know. I do and I don't. I'm conflicted. I want to meet new people and I don't want to meet people. Explain that to me. Conflicting. I want to be able to have the interactions, friendship, but yet at the same time terrifies me so. Maybe a rejection. Because I'm afraid of rejection. Maybe I'm afraid of rejection. I want to be rejected, yes. The thought of someone saying, no, get away from me, and I'll be like, oh. That's probably it. There we go, look at that. Nope. Yes. Wish I could go as fast as they do. That's not fair. Only 86 more miles to go, to go. Oh yeah, there you go. I'm like yawning. That's horrible. I feel bad now. Like, I'm not bored, it's just like, I'm tired. I don't like leaving these off without finishing them, so I'm just like, 82 more miles, let's go. On the boat. And the fact that I can't listen to music because I'll get copyrighted, that's upsetting too. Can't listen to country music, cross-roading music, anything. Just like, just gotta listen to my car, put along, or talk to people. Those are my options. You don't want the cookies? Yeah? No? I don't eat chocolate chip cookies. Why is my car getting slower? I'm upset by that. Come on, 60 more miles. Let's go. Now it will only go like 40. What's up with that? What happened? Oh, now it's going like 45. I'm also hungry. I don't think I'm eating too hungry. Gonna make me popcorn. One guy made me want popcorn. I'm gonna try not to hit that green car over there. 29 more miles to go. We got this. We got this. Unleash. I'm already at 20 minutes for the delivery. 20 minutes from start to finish. Basically. Is that an airplane I see in the distance? Yeah, there it goes. It's gone now.